Good morning to everyone. So we have left out the practical number one in that program number first. We have left out that program. So I shall continue today. So directly with screen sharing. So 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 practical number one, computation and identity of an inverse. So computation means finding of an identity and inverse element of each group. Okay, in that algorithm is a step by step procedure to write a program. Okay, this is a step by step procedure to write a program. In step one, we initiate enter the elements of a group G is equal to, we initiate the values of a1, a2, a3 and a4. Okay, here we initiate the values of a1 is equal to a1 is equal to 1 2 or something else. Okay, so after that, in step 2, we find the binary operation of this. We find the binary operation here. After that, now defining binary operation. After that, in third step, we find the binary operation of ai and aj. Let ai star aj, so multiplying with ai and aj here, so that we get the binary operation. In step 4, multiplying of ai star aj is equal to aj. We get the ajth value. So then we print the identity element e is equal to ai, or ai star aj is equal to ai. We print the value here as aj. If we get ai value, we print the value of e is equal to ai. E is equal to ai. Here we write e is equal to ai. If we get the value of in the favor of aj, we print the value, the identity element e is equal to aj. In last step, the final step 5, if ai star aj is equal to e, then we print that the inverse element of ai is aj. Means ai value aj ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ print ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here till now the algorithm has been finished. So next, key commands. So what is a key command? So in key commands, so first is we initiate the value. I said that in in step one we write the what we said in step one. Enter the elements of a group G is equal to A1, A2, A3. In here, in key command, A1 colon 1, we initiated the value of A1 is equal to 1 here. We initiated the value of A1. As usually, we will go on initiating the values of A1, A2, A3 till the value given by the statement. Okay. Next, for loop we use here. For loop, here we use a for loop for this. For loop is for loop, that for loop I colon 1 while I is less than or equal to 4 is equal to do. In the question they have given 1 minus 1 I minus minus I. They are given only 4 terms here. They are given only 4 terms here. For that we are writing for I colon 1 while I is less than or equal to 4. If they are given another one term, we shall say that I is less than or equal to 5. Because they have given 4, we have written here I is less than or equal to 4. Next, in display means in print statement ai star aj, we multiply this and we keep this. So we have displayed here ai star aj is equal to what, we get the value, we read the value as on. Next, remainder of QP. So as usually, next print the identity element is equal to E. What we get the identity element, we print here. Okay. So next, writing down a program. Okay. Now next we write the program here. we read the first program of here. So first program value question is, so first question of this first program is to find the identity element and inverse of each element of the multiplicative group G is equal to one flower bracket 1 comma minus 1 comma I comma minus I. Okay, so this is a question for us to find the identity element and inverse of each element of a multiplicative group G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. So now we shall write the program. So till now we clear all these terms. Okay, so next writing a program. So as usually quotation kill all and dollar symbol. So next hash star, first term enter the elements enter the elements. A1 is equal to, they have given A1 is equal to first term 1. Okay, A1 is equal to 1, next dollar symbol. So next A2 is equal to minus 1 after the dollar symbol. Next A3 is equal to I, next dollar symbol. After that A4 is equal to minus I. So next enter. So next here what we shall find out, what we are finding, what in the in the question they are given to find the identity element. What now next we shall write here to find the identity element star hash. So to find the identity element, we write the statement for I colon 1 while I is less than equal to 4 2. So next for j colon 1 while j is less than or equal to 4 2. So next in if statement we shall write here if ai star aj is equal to aj then display ai star aj e colon ai comma print quotation in quotation we write identity element element, identity element, comma e, else else if ai star aj is equal to ai, then 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 display what we have to display ai star aj comma e colon aj comma print identity element is equal to comma e, that's for another quotation I have left out here, then dollar symbol, then shift enter. That is, this is the output statement for you. Okay, this is an output statement for you. Okay, so next, so what we have done till now is enter the elements. What are the elements we have entered is a1 colon 1, a2 colon minus 1, a3 colon I, a4 colon minus I. We all had done and done here as given in the question that they are the values of a1, a2, a3, a4. So in next step, we find out the values of identity elements. So finding out the values of identity element are for I colon 1 while I is less than or equal to 4. This is a syntax B. These both are main syntax for the this group for this program. So after that, we have multiplied the both terms ai and aj. We get if we get the value of aj terms means inverse term. If we get the values of aj terms, we display ai star aj is equal to e colon ai. Print the identity element is e. Or if we get the value ai star aj is equal to ai, then we print the value aj prints the identity element is equal to e. So we have here executed the program here. 1 into 1 is 1. The identity element is also a 1. So next 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So identity element is also a 1 here. So 1 into I is minus I. So here we did not add a percentile symbol. Okay. So we did not have percentile symbol. So now we shall get C. Okay. Second, it has been reduced out here. It has been reduced out here. It should be written this side. So here is your answer. So 1 into percentile I is again a percentile I. The identity of percentile I is 1. So next minus 1 is 1. And minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. The identity element is also a 1. Next minus percentile I into 1 is percentile I. We get the value as 1. Next minus into percentile into minus 1 minus percentile I. The identity element is 1. We did till here. We find out the values of identity elements. So next we shall find out the inverse of an each element. So next hash star, what we have to find out is to find out the inverse of each element to find out the inverse of each element. So for the statement, for the syntax, we shall write for I colon 1 while I is less than or equal to 4, do next for j colon for j colon 1, sorry, j colon 1, while I is, sorry, j is less than or equal to 4, do if ai star aj is equal to e, then display ai star aj, then print inverse of ai is aj. Next here dollar symbol, after that shift enter. So okay, we have got the values of 1 into 1 is 1, then the inverse of 1 is 1 only. Next minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, the inverse of minus 1 is also 1. The next percentile I means I into minus I is 1. The inverse of 1 I is minus I. The minus I into I is 1. The inverse of minus I is I. So okay, we have done till this. To for next, see, let us see once again what all I have teached here. I'll explain it one more time. To find the identity element and inverse of each element, what we are finding here, to find an identity element and inverse of each element of a multiplicative group, g is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay, so first kilol is the main standard symbol here. Next, enter the elements. Enter the elements. In question they are given 1 minus 1 I minus I. These are the elements. We have initiated the values of here. A1 colon 1 is 1. A2 colon minus 1 is minus 1, and A3 is equal to I, and A4 is equal to minus I. So we initiated the values of A1, A2, A3 and A4. Next, to find out the elements, to find out the identity elements. Now what you are finding? To find the identity elements. So for finding identity elements, we write a syntax for I colon 1 when I is less than or equal to 4, do. So because we have written here 4 is less than I less than or equal to 4, because means they have initiated the values only 4. If they are given 5 means I is less than or equal to 5, we have written here. So 4, because 4 we have written because of we have given only the 4 terms. So next, for j colon 1, while j is less than or equal to 4. Next, if I into next step is next syntax is AI star AJ is equal to AJ. If we get multiplied by in the AJ term, we display AI star AJ is equal to AJ. Therefore, print AI is an identity element of E. So else, if this does not happen, means then it goes to next step. If this step does not execute, means it goes to next step to execute. Here, if AI star AJ is equal to AI means this is correct, means it will execute the display the identity element AJ is an identity. Okay, then we get the output values. Okay, these are the output values. So next is to find out the inverse of each element. For here also these two statements are the syntax for you. For I colon 1 while I is less than or equal to 4, do. For j is colon 1 while j is less than or equal to 4. I have said that why we have written here 4 only, why we not took 5, 6, 7 or something else, because we have taken only 4, because in the question they have given g is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I, only the 4 terms, because we have taken only the 4th term. Next, if AI star aj is equal to E, then display AI star aj is equal to print the inverse of AI is aj. If the value of AI, if we multiply the value of AI star aj, if we get the value E means, then display the term this, that AI is a aj inverse. Okay, these are the executed parts here. These are the executed parts of here. Okay, this is a practical number 1, program number 1. These are all the program number 1s. This is a program number 1 in a practical number 1. Okay.